CompTIA ITF Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.6, Compare and contrast general application concepts and uses. Single platform versus cross-platform. In this video, we will compare single and cross-platform applications. A single platform application is designed to work exclusively with one type of computer or operating system. For example, a single platform application developed for Windows might not work on a Mac, and vice versa. This can create compatibility issues, limiting the application's usability to a specific group of users. But single platform applications do have some benefits. Having a targeted approach does allow developers to fully leverage the features, functionalities, and design elements of that particular platform. As a result, users of single-platform applications often experience a highly optimized and tailored user experience. Now let's explore cross-platform applications. These applications are designed to work on different types of computers and operating systems, like Windows, Mac, and even mobile devices like smartphones and tablets. Cross-platform applications have been designed to be versatile, making them accessible to a wider audience. They break down language barriers between different computer systems, ensuring that the same application can run seamlessly on various devices. While cross-platform applications offer a consistent user experience across varying devices and operating systems, developers will often have to sacrifice certain features and functionalities to achieve this goal. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.